It's Rachael Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through this great gambrel over by the village of Big Bear Lake, and it is at 676 Main Street. So come check it out. Okay, from the street, it's a sunny day, so hopefully you can see. Great location. So you've got a cul-de-sac at the end of the street. Basically is just the end of the road, and behind the house at the top of the hill is all national forest. There is a hiking trail that goes back along that will take you all the way to Snow Summit or all the way to the village. So you've got a vacation rental across the street, a vacation rental right here. Looks like a second home. I think I saw a rental sign there the other day and rental sign here as well. So lots of rentals in the neighborhood. Right where you could hear that fire engine, that is the boulevard. So you are just about a 2-minute drive to the village of Big Bear Lake. You're about 3-4 minutes over to Snow Summit, about 4 or 5 minutes to the grocery stores, and of course that depends on how many people are out that day. So here we have the property line. It's looking like right about in the middle of this tree right here. And so this one is a vacation rental. They have an occupancy of 5 right now and 2 cars. So then our property line over here, it's gonna be right here. And they have the very unique, these sellers have done a lot of work. So first off, just admire that they have put concrete in here, nice clean parking area and blacktop as well. But I love how they did this fence. Just character, like did something different. And this one on Airbnb is called Casa Bobby. So then they've also got this fencing as well with the metal grates. And then we've got our handrail, bringing it to code for vacation rental. So you're kind of tucked down underneath the street, which makes it feel pretty private, especially if you close the fence. I'm going to walk you around the outside of it after we've seen everything on the inside. So again, nice, pretty private down here. You really can't even see the neighbors once you're sitting in this position. And then you've got some nice trees blocking you. I like how they've graded this to where you do have a deck down here. I like the colors of it. So this is what they call the gambrel, barn-shaped home, but it's got that wood color and black. So they have this one ready for renters. So I'm gonna take my shoes off real quick. And we enter into the living room. So you've got one really rare thing about the home is that it has central heating. So you've got the floor grate over here, and then you've also got air conditioning, which is going to be this unit up here. So you've got that downstairs and then also up above. So really nice open space right here. And decorated so nice that this is why it's got a 4.8 review on Airbnb, with this mountain modern furniture. You've got the nice white that they did. They painted it, gave it a nice, super clean look. So here we've got laminate style flooring. And we're gonna move over to the fireplace. So what I like about this is they've kept the old and then put the wood burning stove in. So this is going to keep you or the renters a lot more warmer at night versus just somebody having the fireplace that looks like this. These fireplaces, like if you built a fire inside of there, all of the heat's just going to go up the chimney. Believe me, I have experienced it, but these wood burning stoves, much, much better. So got a nice sitting area and some information table and some magazines. And then of course the mini split too. So this is a locked closet for locked away from renters. And then we've got the kitchen. So nice, bright, clean, very clean. We've got some updated appliances. I like the colors that they've chose, that white, wood, and gray as well. And then the white subway tile. Everything that you would need to offer a renter in here. And then I've got the dining area here as well. And then I'm going to, I'll take you out here for just a second, but we'll probably walk back up here when we get, when we go around the outside. So property line probably going to be continue this fence over right here. I like how the neighbor has their spa pretty private right there. You've got outdoor dining here. The railing is in good shape. Trying to lean on it and it feels very sturdy. Looks like they've planted some trees to try and gain more privacy in future years too. So let's go inside and check out the bathroom. There is another floor vent over here as well. So I looked at the old pictures of this home and major updates to it. So here we have stackable washer and dryer, which is a great thing to offer renters coming to the area. And then I love the wood mirror and the white everything, plus the wood and copper accents right here for storage. And we also have storage on this side as well for towels, toilet paper, things like that. Tub. It's like a plastic, but then this looks like it's cast iron. So I think they've gone over that a time or two. But super clean, really nice. Then if we go out of the bathroom, they do have little hangers back here. So it's a good sized bathroom. Like it does not feel tight in there for me. Okay, so here we have the stairs. So everything upstairs is going to be carpeted. Gives it a nice, warm, cozy feel. So you have storage area. And then here is the first of 2 bedrooms. So they have these heaters right here. A lot of times people disable those because people can burn themselves. But you've got a closet right here. And then I believe that's a king bed. I love these chairs too. Just all the furnishings in here are tastefully chosen. And I love this too. So you've just got great views to be able to look out at the street. And it's tinted too. So I do not believe people can look in, but you can definitely see out. And then we also have the air conditioner in here too. As well as here. So really 6 people could easily sleep in here. You have two queens and a king size bed and a desk area, as well as the closet. It's very cute, very fun, very cozy. And the air conditioning unit right there as well. So let's go down and go outside now that we've seen all of the inside. So again, just a few minutes over to Snow Summit, Bear Mountain, and over to grocery stores. You could walk to the village from here if you wanted to. I like this big tall fence too. So here we've got the roof. Looks fairly, really good shape, I would say. And then you've got the air conditioning unit right here. This is a autumn blaze. So here we have kind of like an underneath area. So it's where they keep their trash area. And then it's blocked off. We've got might be an old tank. Let me see if I can find. Yeah, they have a gas meter. So this is likely old and abandoned. So there you have it. The address again is 676 Main Street, Big Bear Lake, California. And we are a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 900 square foot, very high performing Airbnb. This one made $48,000 last year. So really job well done in a hard year. And then the lot size is 2,800. Oh, and you might want to know the price of it. The price that we have just listed this one for is $535,000. $535,000. Great deal. Really close to the village. Not too many other options, and this place is just ready to go. Let me know if you would like to take a look, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.